Hello everyone, welcome to MOAR, and in this video, we will see the unboxing and review of the new Samsung Galaxy M12. First, let's unbox the Galaxy M12. The box is made up of cardboard. Opening the box, we can find the phone itself, some paperwork, the SIM card ejector tool, and the charger. This is the charging cable. It is a multi-purpose USB Type-C cable. This adapter can charge in watts and can charge the phone within 2 to 3 hours. These are some paperwork and the SIM card ejector tool. Let's talk about the overview of the handset. This phone has a dual tone finish and its body is made of plastic. There are 4 cameras on this phone. A true 48 megapixel main camera, a 2 megapixel depth sensor, a 5 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. On the bottom of the phone, we have a headphone jack, a USB-C port, a speaker and the microphone. On the right of the phone there is the volume rocker and the power button acting as the fingerprint sensor. On the left of the phone there is the SIM card and micro SD slot. It supports dual 4G SIM cards and a micro SD card up to 1 TB. Let's talk about the display. It is a 6.5-inch HD plus TFT LCD, Infinity V-Cut display, with 90Hz screen refresh rate. It has a HD plus screen resolution with 720 by 1600 pixels resolution. It has 269 ppi and it can display 16 million colors. It can also switch between 60 and 90 Hz. It runs on Android 11. And One UI 3.1. This phone comes in 2 variants, a 4GB and 64GB variant and a 6GB and 128GB variant. This phone has a massive 6000 mAh battery which lasts about 2 days. This battery can charge within 2 to 3 hours. The Galaxy M12 has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor which also acts as the power button. This is the phone's camera app. This phone can even record videos in ultra-wide. The Galaxy M12 uses the 8nm Exynos 850 processor, which is an octa-core processor with 2 GHz speed. This means that this processor is power efficient. The M12 uses 4 or 6 GB LPDDR4X RAM. I have opened a lot of apps and the phone functions smoothly. Now Now let us see some photos and videos taken by the camera of the Galaxy M12. The Galaxy M12 takes about 58 seconds to power on. It weighs 221 grams and is available in 3 colors, white, black and blue. I think that the Galaxy M12 is a great budget device with a smooth display, good camera, big battery and a power-efficient processor. Thank you for watching this video. If you found the video helpful then please consider subscribing. And I will see you in the next video.